Welcome to day one, Intro to Physics. You'll see on your screen, you see the giant word physics, and that's the course you're in. From dictionary.com, we can read that physics is the science that deals with matter, energy, motion, and force. Origin 1580 to 90. Physic or natural science, origin 1250 to 1300. And on and on and on. And it's a very technical way that we can define physics, but for our purposes we're going to use the definition above, slightly modified. So this is the definition we're going to use. Physics is the study of energy and the interactions between and properties of matter. It's kind of a broad definition. Some pure physicists will tell you that most of the sciences actually fall under the auspices of physics. Chemistry, that's just the way that molecules and atoms interact. Biology is the interaction of all matter in the body and living things, and so on and so forth. But we're going to make a distinction between those sciences and physics because, well, you've already taken those classes. Now, subtopics overlap. Energy, that goes right here in all three courses. Molecular bonding forces, that's over here in physics and chemistry. You'll hear some topics that you've explored before, and you'll explore, or will explore, some physics that you've seen before. And while you should certainly draw upon and remember anything that you can, you should make sure to always keep an open mind. And yes, I am an award-winning artist. You should see my abstract art. This here is so real that I could reach out and touch that brain right now. The theme of keeping an open mind is very important. Like I said, your experiences have shown you many of the things that we're going to learn this year. And for lots of you, your preconceptions are wrong. These preconceptions, this is my biggest battle as a physics teacher, trying to fix the misconceptions and preconceptions. Take, for instance, a ball drop. You've all seen a ball drop. It's only natural that because you've seen a ball drop, you are experts on ball dropping. But think to yourself, what causes the ball to drop? Think right now. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. If you thought the word gravity, then you're correct. And many people, but not all, so don't worry if you didn't actually come up with gravity, can correctly identify gravity as the culprit for causing the ball to fall. But in a terribly scientific study, asking people why astronauts could jump so high on the moon, a vast majority, I could make up some percentage, but what fun would that be, answered that there is no gravity on the moon, despite the fact that the astronauts did not jump and keep going. So that's an issue, and we're going to see why they're wrong and fix it. So we'll have fun, we'll do labs, we'll play games, we will learn and we will unlearn, but please keep an open mind. So we cover 1D kinematics, 2D kinematics, forces, vectors, gravity, circular motion, energy, momentum, waves, light, electricity, circuits. This is all in your syllabus, by the way. And roughly, the left column here represents first semester, and the right column represents second semester. And there will be plenty more, too, above this. And we'll laugh and we'll cry, and we'll look at real-life applications of physics, and we'll debunk videos and their quote-unquote physics. We'll tour the scientific world, figuratively and perhaps even literally, and all the while we are going to learn how to apply what we know, how to unlearn what we don't really know, and how to truly understand physics. That's it for video number 1. The next video that you will be assigned is going to be video number 2 on motion, distance, and reference points. Thanks for tuning in.